नेतृत्व सिनी तिप्रा मथानी एदिसी एरिया जे तंगमानि जों बन खायखा 26 टा स्पटआव जों बन खाय दङ ताबो 26 टा स्पटआव जों जमायत खाय दङ ताबो सिनार तियारि माइरां जों जमायत खाय दङ शान्तिपूर्ण भाबे सिनी ता जमायत शान्तिपूर्ण भाबे सिनी स्ट्राइक सिनी सामुचलै दङ जों एक्चुअली सिनी तिप्रासानि जे सेन्टिमेन्ट दीर्घदिन 70-75 बছর जे इंडिया गभर्नमेंट जोंनो बन्चना खाय दङ बागै जों ग्रेटर त्रिपुरालेण्ड 1 नम्बर सिनी दाबि आबनतै जों दिनै मुभमेन्ट खाय दङ जों स्ट्राइक खाय दङ ओमफ्राय सिनी जों नायो जे सिनी अर्थनैतिक स्वाधीनता सिनी एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिभ स्वाधीनता पलिटिकल जे स्वाधीनता अब जों नायो सिनी आस्ते सिनी ताबो जों नुगै दङ हा कमाय दङ आस्ते जों पलिटिकल पावर सिनी आस्ते सिनी कमाय दङ एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिभ पावर आस्ते कमाय दङ हायने बाङै जों कन्स्टिटिउसनेल सल्युशन संविधाननि बिसिंथै जों दाबि खाय दङ संविधाननि बायरेया संविधाननि फातारया संविधाननि बिसिंथै सिनी जे अधिकार सिनी राइट्स जोंनो रदि सिनी तिप्रासानो जोंनो अधिकार रेडी जोंनो ग्रेटार त्रिपुरा लेण्ड सेपारेट स्टेट रुदि आबनो तै जों ताक डिमान्ड खायदोंमो जों जोंनि प्राइम मिनिस्टार जोंनि जे हम मिनिस्टार जों इन्डिया गभर्नमेन्टनि थानि जों बेलाय जों माने 100 माने 1000 बार माने कोटी बार 100 बार जों रिक्वेस्ट खायजावो जाहाथे जोंनो जोंनि एक्जिस्टेन्स जोंनि थांनानै जोंनि बासिनानै जोंनि सार्भाइभेल एक्जिस्टेन्स जोंनो रेडि जोंनो जोंनि दाबि जों साननानै आबो जोंनो रेडि हानि जों दिनै आरो प्रग्राम खायजावो जोंनि ताबक ताक जाहाथे जोंनि सम्पूर्ण सक्सेस पिसफुल जों जोंनि वारियर केबो कुनो इनडिसिप्लिन या एकदम सक्सेस खायो जों सामतां दङ ताबक जों एकदम प्रशासनिक निजे तंनाय र निनि पुलिस दप्तर हुन्दी बा अन्यान्य हुन्दी बर' बाहायनो जों बायनो दङ जोंनो बर' नायगानि खाय दङ ओमफ्राय जोंनि सम्पूर्ण शान्तिपूर्णभावे जों सामचलै दङ दा जों मिছিল खाय फायलियो ताबक र किसावर मिছিল खायलेखा मिছিল खाय जों हर किसा बाथांलाय फिका
Tipra Motha, the Supremo, Maharaj Borok has, with all the concern with the leaders, we have called for a ban on this particular day. You must have noticed in all about ADC areas, in 26 locations, picketing is going on. And this is Tiyari Mairang. This spot belongs to Amarpur 42 Assembly Constituency. Here we have got more than 2,000 picketers since morning 5:30 a.m. We had a very successful picketing. Just now we had more than 500 meters. We had a peaceful rally. Now we'll be continuing till 6 p.m. The main motto of today's ban is the survival of Tiprasa is our motto. Our motto is only one thing. Our demand is only single demand. That is Greater Tipra Land. It is not a new demand. We have been demanding this since from the very beginning. Since the day we marched, our Tipra was an independent kingdom when our Maharaj Bibikram died. After that, we had marched with the government of India. Since then, the Tiprasa, the majority population of the state, we became into minority. Therefore, Maharaja Pradut Kishore was once upon a time, he was the sitting president of this Tripura state, but he had to leave his party and uplift Tiprasa for the survival, for the existence of our people. Therefore, on that issue, on that Greater Tipra demand, for our survival, he has called for a ban, and we all are his supporters. We had very peaceful, and our demand is only Greater Tipra Land. There is nothing else, nothing more to ask this question. You may ask, twist and turn the question and ask 10 times, but our answer will remain the same. That is only Greater Tipra Land demand. And unless and until we achieve our demand, today is only single day. Next time, if our demand is not fulfilled by the central government, we may go for 5 days, we may go for 15 days, then we may go ahead for 1 year or so, unless until we get our demand. Thank you, that's it. Now we will continue our sitting, what should I say? Demonstration, picketing, our demand on full swing till 6 p.m. Thank you.